Welcome you all. I am Dr. K. Vasuki. In this video, we will discuss the development model from the social work perspective. In social work practice, social worker must be strong in social work models to bring about desirable changes in society. First of all, we would like to discuss about the meaning of the development. Development is all about the people and their living condition. Development is about local people taking control over their own lives, expressing their needs, and finding solutions to their problems. It's related to the needs and wants of the society and the action to satisfy the needs. In generally, we can say development is social, economical growth through organized and planned effort at the control over poverty, hunger, disease, illiteracy, economic underdevelopment. There are several models in development in our country, like Western liberal model, welfare model, Marxist socialist model, democratic model, Gandhian model, and sustainable model, LPG model, which was propounded by Manmohan Singh, that is liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Even our Abdul Kalam has proposed PRA model, PURA, that is providing urban amenities to the rural areas. In our India, we are following mixed model, that is liberal, democratic, socialist model we have adopted. Liberal model of development is the model stands for rapid industrialization, technological advancement and modernization. This model aims to achieve development through free market of economy, competitiveness and all-round individual's economy. Democratic socialistic model of development. This model advocates development through the securing of socialist goal by using democratic means. This model also known as participative model, that is people participation, in which members of the group become even more participative in decision making process. People are closely involved in the economic, social, cultural and political process affects their lives. Because the development model views person as a capable of civic virtues and through involvement in government and community affairs, person can gain on understanding of the public good and what it requires. In this model, people are encouraged to share ideas and opinions. Members of the group feel more responsible from need identification to implementation of the planned activities in the program planning. And in this model, people become more creative and conscious. The good citizens of the society are aware of and participate in government and civic affairs through voting, the expression of their opinions to representatives, and sometimes even public service. Involvement in democracy is both a way of educating people and increasing their ability to better themselves. The development model believes that people are capable of civic virtues. In community development, people should participate with involvement within common and community affairs. Development theory generally refers to a collection of ideas about how societies can advocate towards positive changes. Here, without people involvement, the positive outcome we cannot expect. That never occur. So, people should be educated and to be encouraged to participate towards their betterment. Development theory is often incorporated with geopolitical theories and models. Geopolitical theory deals with power, relationship between politics and geography, interaction between states, civilization, people, and economics. Simply says, with to understand the condition of the people, we must be understood the contemporary geopolitics with reference to the history. Modernization. The process of adopting new or up-to-date a progressive transition for economic and social development. Structuralism. A particular relationship within a society can be understood and used for the development. Dependency theory. State and people are dependent each other. Without mutual participation and support, we cannot achieve our development. Development theory insists the role modification of state to guarantee both the functioning of the economy and the political articulation in the society. Application to the social work. The developmental social work is a new approach. It gives importance to social investment. Means people become partner and participate to design the intervention method to improve their conditions and their on the whole the community. This refers to the necessity of material support to meet the need and demand of the client or community. The basis of this theory is that joint efforts are most achievable when individual joins together in shared effort to identify and address their problems. It is necessary to become self-sufficient and to identify resources and solve its own problems. In this approach, social worker or community development worker assist the client to make the most of opportunity for their economical development, and also external and internal resources are to be generated for best services to the development. Thank you.